Hey, buddies! Happy Thursday?
It's Thursday.
Yes, happy Thursday. We're just gonna hang out with you guys today. What are we doing? We're going
to the store.
to Aldi? Oh, yeah! Aldi, but we don't need a lot of stuff because of Costco, so...
Yeah, it's just a few things to pick up, and then I think David wants to go to Marshall's or something, or TJ.
I love a discount.
TJ Maxx. He does. We'll see. We don't know.
And...
nothing we really need. We're just going to see what we can possibly get.
And we're going to introduce a new segment with a jingle that I wrote, so...
Yes. Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
What a beautiful sight. Do you see all those stores in one spot? Michael's, Marshall's, Ross, and Aldi. Stop it. At the Village of Century. Confession, we had to turn down the Spice Girls in order to film this. And I'm not ashamed. First up, Marshall's. And there's no line. Yes, thank you, Corona guy. Baskets, because, life. And we're trying to find something for the coffee table and also something for under the coffee table. And we kind of like this one, and it's on clearance.
Yeah, we like this one. But
I like this one.
David thinks a bigger one, maybe.
I'm thinking big.
I know.
Yeah.
I think that's too big.
You think this is too big?
I don't know,
what if this one was under with the books? I don't know. If it goes under, I want it to be square. What do you think of this one for the top of the table? And it's on clearance, guys. It's only $10.
I don't know if it's too matchy because the top of the table is gray.
Right. It might be a little matchy.
Color,
that could be good. That could pick up the color in the coasters. We were debating between these two, and this one is 20, and then this is 25. So we're gonna go with the 25, just because it's only $5 more, and it's bigger, and then we can fit more stuff in it, and hopefully it's not too big, but I don't think it will be. It's not. There's only literally maybe a half-inch difference between the other one on either side. So yeah. Yay! We are the proud owners of a basket. What's a success? Now to Ross. So they looked relatively stocked, but not as stocked as the other, because look at all the empty shelves. But we're coming here for home goods. Hopefully they got us over here. Okay, so pretty empty. You were looking at these for the bar, but it's a little bit like Mad Men, middle-aged. Oh, look at him over here looking at nautical things. There's fish.
I think we have enough for the room now.
How dare you? There's a few more empty spaces. We have one thing to fill, one little shelf to fill in there, but there's some stuff coming, and so I don't know. I'm not seeing anything. This is definitely not. I mean, I love a sparkle, but not really our taste. Oh, guys, the tiki.
You can't win them all.
No,
That was
we didn't have anything
a
that we
bust.
needed.
Not
We wanted. So
not a win. So on to Aldi. Yes.
Make sure you're wiping your carts, guys. Stay safe.
Aldi.
I love Aldi. Guys, I love their prom crust. Only $2.98. I'm gonna get one of the jalapeno ones. They're so delicious. Alcoholics, but $1.99. And these winking owls are really, really good. Although it's hard to find wine that is keto, but we always add to the collection. Okay, so these are all delicious, totally dirty keto, but 2 net carbs in these. If you're just on the go and whatnot, these are a good option, and a whole box of them is $3.99 or $4.79 depending on what you're getting. So yeah, just an option for you if you are trying to watch your carbs. Sections of any Aldi, and that is the cheese sections. Guys, they have so many amazing specialty cheeses, like Gruyere's, feta, goat cheese, they have Asiago and Parm. And then they have all of their other brick cheeses and things like that down here. The Parmesan, it's all super, super good. And look at these prices. Legit, if you've never been to an Aldi, it will change your life. Okay, so we're gonna make like a small little charcuterie board tonight. So this is it's a little deli selection. It's pepper salami, hot pepper and hot calabrese. Amazing. Gouda and Edam cheese. So the meat prices here are amazing. Also, this ground beef, it is pasture-raised organic ground beef for $5.59. Incredible. So yeah, definitely check out the meat sections here. This is carne picada, which is basically just beef for tacos. So good. Super low carb and only $3.69 a pound. So this entire package is $6. You cannot beat that. So Aldi's bacon prices are also amazing. $6. Look at this. $3.69 for their bacon is insanity. Also, this sausage is the way to go. It is so cheap. I think it's what, $2? $1.99. Oh, $1.99 for the sausage. And it's 0 carbs. 0 total carbs. Alright guys, so we are gonna go with 2 of these thick sliced bacons. Oh yes. Eggs, of course, pasture raised grass fed is best, but this is all they have here. Also, get into this. Egg prices apparently have increased. Alright, well, we're out of eggs, so we gotta get. We look every time and they never have 0 carb bread. I don't know why everyone else's Aldi has the 0 carb bread, but here I have not seen it once. Like legit ever. I've just not ever seen it. And we look every time. It just doesn't. Quick tip, the coffee at Aldi is amazing. We actually get 1 French vanilla, 1 hazelnut. We mix them in 1 bag and it is divine. And for $3.79. Okay, so we have shown you guys this. This is what it looks like because we didn't save the boxes before, but this is the soybean spaghetti that we always get. It's amazing and it is only, as you can see, 20 carbs with 13 grams of fiber. So these are really good stats and it's just soybean spaghetti. There's also black soybean spaghetti and there's the edamame spaghetti. So yeah, this is what the box is, guys. We were picking this up. I looked down and look, limit 2. People are wanting this spaghetti.
It's really good.
It's really good, right?
Yeah.
I mean, well, we're gonna get our 2 and call it good. Part of the charcuterie board that we're gonna make ourselves tonight. Look at these olives. So they have jalapeno stuffed olives. I'm not an olive person, but Jarrell is. They have garlic and they have blue cheese. And Jarrell has said blue cheese, which is yuck to me, but people love blue cheese. Do you like blue cheese? I mean, no judgment. I love cheese. I eat feta. I eat goat cheese. Some people hate that. So we're gonna get these. Guys, they have their own version of basically this is Rotel and it's only 65 cents. So much cheaper to get it here and it's literally the same product. So yeah.
Alright guys, so welcome to our brand new segment that we are calling Booze Cruise Reviews. And we have written, and by we I mean me, have written a jingle because it's time for Booze Cruise, Booze Cruise, Booze Cruise Reviews. And come on. Yes. And then imagine music, and then like the camera going
like this, like it's a 1990s kids commercial.
Yes,
like that's
like the
what
vibe.
We're trying to go for. We'll create a theme for it.
Yeah, no, you guys, once we do that, you learn it, and then you sing along. It's Booze Cruise, Booze Cruise. Booze Cruise Reviews. See, I love it. So,
I'm not used to it yet.
Oh my gosh. Well, I just made it up.
He just made it up. So this is what we're doing.
Today on Booze Cruise Reviews,
we're reviewing
something from HighKey. If you remember,
we did like a review about 3 weeks ago on the cereal.
Which
it was like the Fruity Pebbles cereal. It was very good. He did finish.
I did. I love it. It's really, really good.
And they were nice enough to
send us these mini cookies. So I'm so excited that they reached out to us and they gave us a discount code, which for you guys, which I can't even because I love their products so far. These are mini chocolate chip cookies. They're chocolate chip. You see there are 2 net carbs. They are keto certified, and there are only 2 servings in this entire bag. Which means that you don't just get to eat one cookie. Nobody wants to eat one cookie.
You get to eat several.
Several. You actually get to eat 8 cookies.
Yes.
That's a lot. So, super clean ingredients. I'm just going to run them down for you, or at least some of them for you guys. So, it's almond flour, erythritol, monk fruit extract. Those are all, like, natural. The chocolates is unsweetened chocolate, erythritol, cocoa butter, stevia extract. There's dried eggs, natural vanilla, baking powder, hydrolyzed collagen, guar gum, sea salt, and xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is just a thickening agent. Amazing. Like, there's nothing in here that I'm like, what the H? So, but the question is, how do they taste?
We'll soon find out.
We are soon going to
find
out. We're going to give you a step-by-step. They're open. Okay.
Okay, let's see.
They smell just like
they
the
smell
Chips
very
Ahoy
good. They smell
mini
like
cookies.
Chips Ahoy. Just Chips Ahoy in general.
Oh, they
Yeah,
smell
they
really
smell
good.
good.
You know what they smell like? They smell buttery. Oh, they smell real good. Oh, they smell good. They smell like cheating. They smell like really good. Okay, you take one.
Let's see.
I know, we don't know yet. Okay, so they're this big. They're about the same size as the little mini Chips Ahoy.
Yeah, they're
if you
very
guys
tiny.
have had those,
Yeah, they're about
really
the same
small.
size. They're not as dark in color as Chips Ahoy. They're a little lighter.
They're a little lighter. They
But
smell so buttery
they smell
and
good.
like, oh, they smell like childhood. That's what they smell like. Okay, so let's try it.
Okay.
It's so good.
It's good. Very good.
Oh my
Tastes
goodness!
just like a cookie. Tastes just like a
Well,
Chips
it is a
Ahoy.
cookie.
Like a Chips Ahoy. Well, we've had keto cookies that don't really taste like.
Like they're cakey and they're
They're
not right.
cakey. This has the texture of a cookie. Like it's crunches. It's crunchy like a cookie.
This is almond flour, like legit. I'm not even kidding. I challenge you. You could give these to your kids. They would not know.
It tastes like a normal cookie you buy in the store.
We could
like,
serve these to anyone who is keto or not.
It's not too sweet. It doesn't have like
my
a
God.
strange flavor.
No, there's no aftertaste
Like,
at all.
no
You would
aftertaste
never
at
know
all.
that there's no sugar in that. Like you would
Wow.
never know that, and it's all natural ingredients.
I'm kind of surprised at how good they are actually.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of surprised.
Yeah.
HighKey. Oh no, this is. I'll say it. Proclamation today, July 9th, 6/25. This is one of the best prepackaged keto ingredients that I've ever tasted. These mini cookies taste just like regular cookies. Yeah,
I like them.
I'm obsessed. I love them. So guys, also they sent me an email earlier saying that they rolled out a new chocolate mint cookie, which Thin Mints? Yes? No?
I like Thin Mints. I mean, you know.
I love a minty, thin mint situation, like an Andes mint from Olive Garden. Back when we ate,
back when we can go to restaurants.
I know,
But-
and also back when we could eat pasta. Speaking of, there is a new keto pasta that I just ordered. They didn't send it to me. I ordered it. I paid a lot of money, and I will let you know if it's worth
We
it.
haven't eaten it yet.
We haven't tried it yet.
You know.
But that's not about that. This is about HighKey. So guys, they have given us a discount code, and by us I mean you. The discount code is it's Booze Cruise. BOOSCRUIZE. So you go to HighKey, shop, upon checkout, into coupon code area, put Booze Cruise, and you'll be helping out our channel, but also like they give you a discount. I think it's 10% on a certain amount, and then I think it's 15 to 20% on the next up.
But
So
we'll put the description in the box below,
Yeah, we'll put it in the
so you'll
description
know
box.
what it is for sure.
along with any other products that we really like, we want to get discounts for you guys, because if we're going to talk about it, we want you know, who wants to pay full price?
right. Get a discount when you
You
can.
know I love a discount. Anyway, 1 out of 5.
I give it a 5, actually.
I give it a
I was
5.
trying to think of something negative, but I liked everything about it.
There's not one thing. Like, I give it a 5. Like, I wouldn't change this at all. Like, there's not one thing I would change.
And it's snackable.
Oh my
Totally
gosh.
snackable.
Is it collagen?
It's really hard to find snacks for keto. That taste is good. So,
Guys, I love it.
good job, HighKey.
Go
Good job.
order them. We have another HighKey product and a Perfect Keto product and things like that. This is going to be a new segment. We're just going to pop it in with other stuff. And it's going to be called Booze Cruise.
Oh, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. You haven't practiced.
Right. It's gonna be called Booze Cruise, Booze Cruise, Booze Cruise Reviews.
Just add a little harmony in there.
Oh yeah, that was good.
We'll see. Come back, guys.
Get your cookies.
Yeah.
So we just placed the basket on our coffee table, and we placed in the this is the rent book, infamous rent book. For those of you who aren't aware of it, iconic. And then this is our Broadway the American Musical book, and we put this on top of it. That way it just kind of represents, and we have a different candle to put in there. But, so yeah, with the round and the natural element with this concrete table, and then we have these coasters that bring in natural wood as well as the concrete, and I like it. I think it really adds something with a little plant. The problem is that this is here, but the TV is there, so if you put anything tall here, it blocks the TV. So
the TV's on a low, very low TV stand. So
yeah, it's very let me see, move this. It is very modern. You guys know, you saw. So it's very low, and so from here, blocking. But I feel like this needs some variance of height. Like this should be tall. First world problem. We finally got one of these, and I feel like such a fancy grown-up each and every time that I use it, because I'm like, I don't have my eggs in a typical container. Styrofoam, pisha. We have an egg holder because we're worth it. We just got a package at our door, and I know for a fact it is from one of our longtime boos. Her name is Donna Connor, and she makes the most incredible wreaths. Like, literally her talent knows no bounds. And I got her to custom make us one. She hasn't started selling them yet, but literally, I'm like, girl, you must. We've never seen this. We have no idea what it looks like. Jero.
Oh, I can already tell it's going to be lovely. Oh, look at that.
Oh, my gosh.
That's so cute.
OMG, I'm obsessed.
This is really nice.
Obi
Thank you
tampon
so
sets,
much.
no applicator. Oh wait, let's flip around over to, I guess, this way because the light. There you go. Guys, look, the netting and and oh my gosh, look, it has like a little like these little things hang down, and then is this where you?
Oh yeah, it's supposed to be okay.
Oh my
That's so
gosh,
nice. Thank you.
So I'm obsessed. I love the see the silver, like the little silver accents here, and then the little, and I mean, come on. This is gonna look so amazing.
So cute.
On the door
really
for the
nice.
guest room. Thank you so, Donna.
It has our room color. It has the guest room color.
It's literally, well, she like saw the room and she was like, I would love to like do something, and I can't. The moment that she starts selling on Etsy, I'm gonna hit you guys up and tell you where, because look at this. She made this. Talent. So upset. First, I was gonna put it on the inside of the door, but I'm like, no, I want it to be directly on there. So it is legit right on the door. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. And what's also cool about it is that you can see it as you enter as well. Like, see? Oh, I love it. Thank you, Donna.
All right, you guys.
All right.
So thanks for hanging out with us.
Yeah.
It's spending Thursday. We are
It's
about.
Thursday.
It's Thursday. I know.
This week went by
Same
fast.
thing. So fast. We're about to watch Hamilton.
Again. Yet again. I think this is, second time fully. We've
Second
watched
time fully. Snippets.
After.
This is the second time from start to finish.
Yes.
So, good question. Have you watched Hamilton?
What do you think?
If you have. Oh, yeah, exactly. What do you think? And how many times have you watched it? And will you watch it again? Anyway, we love you. Make sure you check down the description box for the HighKey. Go to HighKey.com.
Those were great.
They're literally, we were, after we turned the camera off, I was like, these are the best, like, no joke, one of the best keto products I think I've ever tasted. Anyway, it's at Booze Cruise there, at BOOSCRUIZ, cause you're worth it, E. Make sure you guys get a discount, and we love you, and we will be back with more.
Yes, we will.
Maybe tomorrow? I don't know. We love you.
Bye.